Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm David. Today we're gonna review a watch, a little bit unique design. This is a watch brand called Movement in Motion. It is a Japanese watch brand based in Tokyo. So most of their watches are designed for who loves watches to be unique, to be different. So there are many good designs. This watch, as you can see, the lock, there's no lock. If you say, if you look at the watch from the front, you don't see the lock because there's no lock, no locks. So it looks like a clock, hung on the wall. Also, you can call it similar to a pocket watch. So sometimes I love this nostalgia vibe that brings you back to those old days, and if you really love those watches, I mean, uh, old vibe and traditional designs. So as you can see, it's a round case. It's a full round case. Very unique look. This model they call it a deco. And usually they would print the movement emotion on the 12 o'clock, but this one they have only one single M logo there. I think makes this watch looks way much better. And yes, there's no lume or any other, no date. It's just a simple watch. But I love the fonts, the black fonts. The Arabic numbers is easy to read, to tell the time. And the second hand is red. I really love the red second hand. And yeah, it's very simple and animalist design. And the crown, yeah, I say is M logo. So it's just like a regular quartz watch. Just pull here and it stops, and you can adjust the time. And the watch itself is really well made. I mean, for a quartz watch, they have done a lot of work. And as you can see, like there's a layers certain, but make it very smoothly round case, and the crystal is slightly flat. I think it's a little bit curve. Of course, it's a mineral crystal, and yeah, the design is very smooth. And I also love the watch band, the bracelet. Yeah, it's really it's well made. It's better than many Albas or Seiko's low budget watches. Feels rugged and tough, and I think it fits this watch very well. So the band width is 20 millimeters. So yeah, as you can see in the back here, this is how it gets connected. The case back also has a logo, some information. It's a full stainless steel watch. Okay, the case diameter is I mean, the glass crystal itself is only 33 millimeters, but the case is 38 millimeters. Because it's a round case, so it's yeah, so you can tell the lock is the same. So it works really great on my 6.3-inch wrist, and I love the look, the tough look of it, and the bracelet is also very easy to use. I mean, you have this, you just press here and unfold the buckle. Yeah, very cool. Unique design watch. So if you like something unique, and if you are a fan of quartz watch, and yes, you can check out some Japanese brands for quartz watches. They really have some good designs. Yeah, the simplicity, the watch. I mean, it's really well made. I mean, you can tell from the details. Okay, I'm not gonna put on my wrist so you can tell how it fits on my 6.3-inch wrist. Okay, as you can see, how it fits my 6.3-inch wrist. I think it looks great, and also the thickness is relatively well controlled. Yeah, it's a very good sized quartz watch, and easy to read. It's simple, pure white dial. But it's simple, but it's not boring. I mean, yeah. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys. If you enjoy my video, please leave a comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.